Hello everyone, in this video we will learn what is the difference between the notes and comments in Google Sheet. So let's start. So here you can see I mentioned the notes related some points and comments related. So first is notes. Notes are used to add simple information to a cell. Other user cannot reply to the notes. Best for the personal reminders or explanation. Notes do not notify anyone. Okay. And in comments, comments are used for discussion and collaboration. Other user can reply to comments. You can mention the people at email in comments. Email send a notification best for the teamwork and feedback. Okay. So let's see how to insert in Google Sheet. So simply select the cell and go to the Insert tab. And here you can see the Notes option to insert the notes. Okay. And you can check again. And and the second way you can use here the shortcut key to insert note. Shift plus F2 to insert note. Just type here and insert your notes. That's it. Okay. And third way, simply right click on the mouse, and here you can see the insert node option, and you can insert here node also. Okay. To insert comment, go to the insert tab and click on the comment option, second last option, and just add your comment. So I just add here approve and click on the comment. And the second way, simply select the cell, right click on the mouse and click on the insert comment option. Okay. So that's it. And if you want to edit, just click on the three dot more option. You can edit it, delete it, and see the emoji reaction also, and get the link to these documents also. Okay. So these are the extra option is available in comments. So that's it. Hope you understood. If you like these, please subscribe. Thank you so much.